So I started the project by cutting out these boards. They're about 2 feet long. They're 2x2s and 1x4s, and these are for the 4 corners. So I'm gluing them and then screwing them to strengthen them and just make really strong corners. So here I'm laying them out, and if these are 4-foot pieces to go on the ends, and I'm just going to screw each one of these in. I'm also using some glue for extra strength. So I set these up, and now I have an 8-foot 2x2 on either side, and again some 2-foot 2x2s inside. And this is kind of challenging doing it by myself because it's it's not a real good surface to be working on. You'll see in a second, this kind of goes wrong, but I'm putting the screws in, 1 screw in each one, and I think I quit using glue at this point because I'm going to strengthen this whole thing up by putting wire around it, and so it's going to be pretty stiff by the time I'm done. So I'm putting the end piece on it, and right about here I stretch it out to make everything fit, and you'll see what happens in a second. Well, there it goes. Yeah, again, I don't have a really good work surface here, but in a second I bring it inside here and I can finish up the project on this floor. So this back section here will just be kind of the dry area to keep out of the wind and rain. Here I'm cutting a few pieces to put on the outside to make it a little bit more even when I put the netting around here. Don't know if I needed that or not, but I went ahead and did that. And well, this is not really netting. It's I guess 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch steel wire, and it's pretty strong stuff. So I didn't want to use chicken wire. That's really weak, and animals can actually get into that. I realized pretty quickly this is not the way to do it, as that was double speed there. Instead, I'm gonna go ahead and just use the stapler gun. This is a nail gun with, it can be a nail gun or a stapler gun. I had staples set up in it. And stretching this out, a little bit challenging to do with one person. Try to get it taut and nailed down. But I'll speed it up here because we're almost done. This is actually a leftover piece from a chicken coop that I built before this, and so I'm just going to reuse it by sliding it in here. Same with the gate here. That'll give me easy access to the birds. Okay, quiet down. Got you a new home here. Yeah, with your friends. Alright, we'll close this one out. Thanks for watching.
John.
Yeah.
Don't put me in it.
Oh, okay. I'll make sure to edit you out. I got some tin roofing I'll put on top here. I'll screw that down later. If you look closely, there's a few birds that are not chickens. Can you guess what they are?